Hey guys, it's Sade back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset, a Sunday spring reset kind of thing. We're going to do some cleaning, some self-care. I want to take out my twist that I have in right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started.
Girl, I get the money where fi make you mine, oh. If you love me every night, fi make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I fi make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night, oh. Think I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I gon' pay. For your love, I go pay, can I make it money, chase, I feel this for you every day. When you call, running back on me, play. For your love, I go pay, for your love, I go pay. Make a love psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drive me psycho. Make me mad, make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I tonight, oh. True that make you utilize, oh. Girl, when we talk, we go revive, oh. Give you many things, we put them make you dance, oh. Yeah, make you back up with the standing mic. It's falling and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, ain't no reason. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. And I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I go pay. Girl, I get the money where fi make you mine, oh. If you love me every night, fi make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I fi make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night, oh. Think I love you every day. Diamond dancing.
Okay guys, I am in the bathroom and I got my robe on. That means it is time for the self-care part of the video. I'm so excited because I am tired and I'm ready to just unwind for the night. I got a couple of things right here I'm going to show y'all. So one, I'm going to pick one of these nails to do. I don't know. We're going to pick one of those. I'm kind of deciding if I want to do these. I got a foot... What is this? A gel sock for your feet. And then a hand mask. My mom got me both of these things. And then we're going to untwist his hair. Yeah. I'm just trying to decide if I should do it before or after the shower. Because my hair looks like, well, it looks good. It still looks good, but it feels like it's about to lock up. And we're not committing to that right now. We're not doing that. So we're gonna untwist it. So I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. I think I'm gonna start off with untwisting my hair just so I can get a feel of how I look. Oh y'all. Let me see. I just gotta pick up oil. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna just go with this one, y'all, because this is the one I can reach right now. This is the My L oil. And we're gonna get started, okay?
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that.
Okay guys, so I did the, this is my left side, and she's looking okay. A little frizzy, but she's still good. Y'all, look at the curls, look at it.
So like that, times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile.
Honestly, y'all, I thought this was gonna take me longer to do, but they actually like coming out fast.
The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Okay guys, so what I do, this is the twist. I like to start from the root, and so I twist it until it opens up, and I just split it. Sometimes it can tangle, sometimes it won't. I don't know what this one doing, but yeah, I just split it like that. Sometimes people like to start from the bottom. It don't matter, y'all. Do it how y'all want to do it. Do it how you think it's coming out cute. Like,
The answer will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
this is day one, and I'm gonna do absolutely nothing to it. I'm not gonna pull them apart. I'm not gonna pick it and do this. I ain't going nowhere right now. Even if I was, I still wouldn't touch it because she's cute the way it is. So if y'all want to see how your girl got these twists and what products she used, go check out the video that I'm going to put either in the card or in the bio, because my twist outs come out perfect every single time. Not me feeling myself. Let me stop. Okay guys, now that I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna hop in the shower. You're probably like, what? Sade? I know. I probably should have took a shower first and then undid my hair, but I'm just gonna wrap it up. It's fine. But so I'm gonna try to do my everything shower routine with you guys. You're gonna see how that go, because whew, recording in the shower is not for the weak. So the vitamin C vibe might be the vibe for tonight. So yeah, let's wrap her up and then we're gonna hop in the shower.
Love you. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. And we sleeping on your levels and the beauty and the struggle, nigga. Beauty and the struggle, nigga. in the struggle, ugliness and the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. Tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? All the pain you brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine.
Okay guys, so I just put on my robe, so let's get started with the post shower routine. So I did shave, so I'm gonna go in with this, what is it called? It's called Treat. It's for ingrown hair serum. I got it from, I think it's called European Wax Center, whenever I had got my wax a couple years back. And so I just continue to put this on where I shave and just hope for the best. So I'm gonna put this on my arms and my legs. Put on my deodorant. I go in with the Even Tone Dove in the scent Rejuvenating Blossom. This is the only deodorant that I love to use. I don't use nothing else, like nothing else. For my lotion, because I did a vitamin C body wash and scrub, we're just gonna keep it going with the vitamin C body butter that I got from Walmart. To add a little something extra to it, I'm gonna add in the body oil gel and the Equate version. When I went, they didn't have the Vaseline one, so I got the Equate one and it still works pretty good. So I just get a handful of the body butter and some of the gel. And we're gonna rub it in. For my legs, I do like to put this Good Molecules discoloration correcting body treatment.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing.
Yeah, so I put on my PJs for the night, and I'm gonna put on my scent, which is from Pink, Light and Happy, and then this little Kindred Goods Orange Blossom and Tea. Definitely going back to Pink to get the big bottle because that smells so good. Okay guys, now that we're all done and out of the shower, we're gonna move on to, I think we're gonna do the feet. We're gonna do the feet and we're gonna put on our nails. So I still haven't decided between these two. I don't even know if I really like these. I got these from Temu. The only thing I hate about their nails is that like the part that's supposed to be clear isn't clear. It's like pink. I don't know, but I'm gonna still try them out, see how long they last or whatever. So we're gonna put this on, and while we're waiting for those to finish, we're gonna be doing our nails. So we're gonna be multitasking. So let's get started. Let me get my chair.
This is some visionary shit. Been trying to feel pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on a model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone. Love me none, love me none, love me none.
guys, so I just finished with my nails. They're okay. I would wish that they were like clear, the base was clear, but it's not bad. I've seen people do like their French tips with like a pink color, so I'm gonna see how long I can keep these on. Hopefully through spring break. I'm not working, so they should not pop off for real. So yeah, these are so cute. So guys, thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so ready to go to sleep. I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, and we're gonna hop in that bed. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Pretty, pretty, pretty.